Are you looking for the best pizza cutters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best pizza cutters. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Robe Factory Star Trek Pizza Cutter. The perfect pizza cutter for fans of Star Trek. This cutter isn't just for looks. It actually works well to cut pizza, pasta dough, cookie dough, and more. When it's not in use, it will look great sitting on a shelf or hanging nearby, ready to fly in when pizza needs to be attacked. Users praised its durability as well as the sharp blade that rolls well and does a fine job cutting pizza. Not only is this great for your own kitchen, it's the perfect gift for sci-fi fans who also love pizza. Moving on at number 4, we have the Cangshan N1 series pizza cutter. Made entirely from stainless steel, and with a forged rather than stamped handle, this cutter is both durable and beautiful. Winner of a design award for the all-metal structure and the ergonomic handle, the Cangshan N1 series pizza cutter has a mirror finish, an elegant-looking handle, and a curved thumb guard that will keep your fingers away from the blade. It's not all about looks, though. The cutter has a hand-sharpened blade and is made by a company known for its knives. Like quality knives, hand washing is best, but this should also withstand cleaning in the dishwasher. For storage, it includes a blade guard to protect both the cutting edge and your fingers while you're searching your gadget drawer for your favorite peeler. At number 3, we have the Dreamfarm Sizza Pizza Cutter Scissors. While buying a pair of specialty scissors specifically made for cutting pizza might seem just a little bit extravagant, these scissors have one major benefit over other styles of cutters. They can be used on any surface, including on delicate non-stick pizza pans or serving platters, so you don't have to transfer your pizza to a cutting board for portioning. These scissors are designed so the bottom blade slides easily under the pizza, with a non-stick shoe that protects the surface below. That non-stick shoe is heat-safe to 400 degrees, so you don't need to worry about it melting when it makes contact with the hot pizza or pan. The familiar scissors action slices neatly through crust and toppings without putting pressure on the pan or plate below, so you'll never scratch your pizza pan, mar your favorite pizza stone, or crack your favorite serving plate. These scissors can also be used for slicing any thin breads like focaccia or tortillas. When cutting is done, these are dishwashing safe. At number 2, we have the Kitchy Pizza Cutter Wheel. This large pizza wheel gives perfect, and safe, control of cutting with an ergonomic grip above the handle, making it easy to apply downward pressure along with precise steering. The handle-free design also makes this easy to tuck into a drawer, and a blade guard keeps the sharp cutting edge covered for safe storage. When it's time for cleaning, this comes apart easily and all of the parts are dishwasher safe, so there's no need to handle the sharp blade with soapy hands. While there are similar models available, it's hard to ignore the large number of satisfied buyers who love this cutter. This is available in several colors, in case it's important that it match the kitchen decor. And finally at number 1, we have the OXO Good Grips Pizza Wheel and Cutter. This cutter has a 4-inch wheel that can cut through thin or thick pizzas, and it has a sharp blade that can handle any crisp or chewy crust. A die-cast thumb guard keeps your thumb out of the way of the blade and it also allows you to apply extra pressure while cutting. The handle is similar to those on other OXO tools, with a large, soft-feeling grip that's easy to hold onto even if your hands are wet or greasy. When pizza making is done, this will also come in handy for cutting pastry or pasta dough as well as other types of thin breads. If you own other OXO Good Grips tools, you know how easy they are to care for. Just use them, toss them in the dishwasher, and put them away once they're clean. This pizza cutter is no exception. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.